Apparently we started recording. What is going on, friends? It is Wednesday, Vlogtober the 26th. I am Colin, if you couldn't tell by the name of the channel. And it is raining. But it is perfectly okay because this nice handy dandy waterproof GoPro is helping me out. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Why do I chew this when I'm vlogging? Hope you're having a wonderful day whenever you watch this. And it's in the afternoon, but I'll say it because I like saying it. Let's get the day started. Great news, the non-chicken strip is still there. It's raining really hard. I should have brought the GoPro. Bad choices were made. So I guess I'll leave it here. I'm going to do some stuff around the kitchen and get ready for work tomorrow. Kasha is out buying a dress to go to her brother's wedding in 2 weeks in Texas. So I just hung out a little bit and relaxed and ate some dinner and watched Luke Cage. Let me know if you're watching Luke Cage. That show's pretty crazy good so far. We got our ballots in the mail, so I will probably read up on a few of the Oregon State initiatives, and then maybe I'll vote tomorrow. I'm not going to show you all of that because I'm not sure what the legal rules and ramifications are of that, but yeah, shout out to Oregon for making it super easy for people to vote instead of everywhere else that puts gigantic roadblocks in the way for people to vote. Go figure that people should be able to vote. Find someone you love, tell them you love them, peace, and be good to each other. And vote. Meow.